What does etc. mean? It's Latin in disguise. It stands for et cetera, which literally means and the rest. Back in the day when Latin was cool, like the TikTok of ancient Rome, it made sense. Now, it's just practical shorthand. People usually throw et cetera at the end of a list when they're too lazy to list everything. Like, I need to buy milk, eggs, bread, etc. It's the verbal equivalent of a shrug. Modern efficiency, but also mildly suspicious. Here's the thing, we abuse it a lot. People will slap etc. onto things they barely understand themselves. Quantum physics involves particles, waves, energy, etc. Oh, really? Care to elaborate? No? Didn't think so. We all do it. Technically, you should only use et cetera when the things following it are in the same category. If you're listing fruits, apples, oranges, bananas, etc., fine, but don't toss in chips or Sirius Black. That just makes no sense. Pro tip, never use and etc. That's like saying and the rest. It's redundant, and everyone in the room will quietly judge you, or at least I will. It's one of those little social sins. Writing it incorrectly is common too. It's not ect. I used to see people write this on school papers, apples, oranges, bananas, etc. Immediately, they're downgraded to a C. If you're going to use Latin, respect the Latin. Fun fact, people often confuse etsa and e.g. They're not the same. E.g. means for example, not and so on. Lazy writing blends them, but come on, we're better than this. Clarity counts, especially when you're trying to sound smart. When you say etc. out loud, just say etc. Don't actually say etc. That's like texting LOL but pronouncing it lol. You'll sound like a malfunctioning robot. Nobody wants that. In Portland, I hear a lot of people use etc. to end a list of overly specific lifestyle stuff. I bike, compost, drink artisanal coffee, etc. I live here, I get it, we're quirky. But sometimes it's just too much. Misusing etc. also leads to vagueness. Like when someone tells you, just bring paper, markers, etc. Okay, but what's etc. supposed to mean? Scissors? A glue gun? Your guess is as good as mine, and it's wildly unhelpful. Final pain point. Overusing it makes you sound careless. If every other sentence ends with etc., it's like you didn't even try. Take the time to clarify. It's an easy habit to fix, and let's face it, you'll sound smarter. Bottom line, etc. is useful, but don't let it become your crutch. Use it sparingly, use it correctly, and remember, it's just a shortcut. Sometimes finishing the list is worth it. Less mystery, more precision. That's the goal.